Excuse me.
Apple burger. They're really good. Hi guys, Chef Spud here, back again with another super quick, easy lockdown recipe that you can do at home. Today we are going to do hash browns, but the easy way because I'm lazy. For this recipe we will need a potato. Obviously this one's dirty, we're going to give it a wash in a minute because it came straight from the farm.
Wait, after that you should do a snapshot of that and then do spot the difference because you look exactly the same as the potato, I'm not even joking.
Spot the difference. 1 egg, a tablespoon of flour if you've got it, any old flour will do, some salt, some olive oil, mixing bowl, grater. Other recipes that I've seen include an onion. I don't like chopping onions, so I haven't included an onion in mine. Also other recipes spend ages trying to dry their grated potato in a tea towel, try and get all the moisture out of it. I haven't done that either. This is literally the easiest way that I can do hash browns. If you use onion or if you dry the potato, is it going to be better? Maybe, but it's going to take a lot longer. First of all, wash the spud. Give it a quick dry. Grate the potato. Then when you get near the end, on your fingers, there we go. So 1 potato, you get quite a lot of grated potatoes. Probably enough there to make about 4 or 5 good sized hash browns. And then now, we chuck it in the mixing bowl. Right, at this stage, put the pan on, medium heat, and then cover the bottom of it just in a kind of thin layer of oil. Let that heat up. At the point you put the hash browns in, you want to hear that sizzling sound so that they seal and don't soak up so much oil. Now we add half a teaspoon of salt, heaped tablespoon of flour, 1 egg. Come on. Oh, it's gone everywhere. The more of it you can get in the bowl, the better. Then whisk it all together. Right, to test the oil, if it's hot enough, just grab a little bit of, there you go, that's ready to go. So what we do, just kind of a bit of a palm's worth of mixture. Give it a little squeeze. Pop it in the pan. Grab another one. About a palm's worth of mixture. Give it a little squeeze. Pop it in the pan. Obviously mind your hands on the hot pan and the oil, as I used to say on Blue Peter. Get an adult to help you if you need to. Just enough room for a small one, right in the middle. Then what I do is either with your hand or with the spatula, just give them a little flatten down on the top. Yeah, leave them in there for about 3 or 4 minutes until you can turn them over, which is a perfect time to make a milky brew. That's right, that is how much milk I have. Proper job. R.I.P. Rockingham. Right, you'll know these are done on the bottom because they're not stuck to the bottom anymore. They kind of freed themselves up. Obviously a good non-stick pan helps with this. And then get underneath them, flip them over. And then again, give them a little pat down, make them a bit more level on the bottom. Cook it a bit easier. Then another swig of milky brew. Then once they've had about 3 or 4 minutes on that side, flip them back. Try and give them 2 cooks on each side, and then I'll know that they're fully cooked all the way through. Right, so this is now going to be the 2nd time on this side. Oh yes, look at those, they are looking good. There's a 3rd flip. These are probably going to be done in a couple of minutes. Right, I reckon these are done. Bonus crispy bits. There we go, we'll let these cool down and then we'll have a little taste. Then once they're cooled down a bit, obviously serve them with part of your full English breakfast, or like we're going to do now, just dip them in a bit of tomato ketchup, HP sauce, or for the fans, barbecue sauce. What do you want, ketchup? Nice and crispy. Perfect.
That's well good.
Good. I think they're the best ones yet.
Yeah, that is actually the best one yet.
Really good.
And have the rest of it.
So there you go, super easy hash browns. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, share, comment, all that good stuff. But no comments about the colour of my tea. See you next time. Want a bit more?
Yeah.
You guys want to come sample these?
Oh, look at Rocky.
Oh, somebody else wants some hash browns.
I think the dog likes it as well. The vultures.
Literally scraping the plate clean. You mind your fingers, wouldn't you? You need to hold it up a little bit if you can, because otherwise I'm looking down and it makes my chin look even fatter. Hi guys, Chef Spud here, back again with
Take 153.
Ooh, that was hot. Put myself on the pan.